Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'll help you how to borrow money from Cash App if borrow option not showing on your Cash App. So guys, if you're using any iOS device or Android device and want to borrow money, and when you're going to borrow your money from Cash App and facing the issue that borrow option not showing or loan option not showing on your Cash App, I'll help you how can you fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you need to open your app store if you're using iOS device, and if you're using Android device you have to open Play Store in that phone, and here you need to search Cash App. So guys, after searching here Cash App, you need to open your Cash App here. So guys, as you can see, and you need to check for update. If you're using oldest version of Cash App, you need to update your Cash App to latest version, and guys, after this you will be able to show borrow option on your Cash App. So guys, after doing update you need to open your Cash App, and guys now you will see this top of interface, and guys now you need to click on here the option of main profile, and now you need to scroll it down. And guys, here you can see there is no option to borrow money from Cash App. So guys, it is available in US only. So guys, if you are lives in US, then you will be able to borrow money from Cash App, and if you are lives outside of US, then you can't be able to borrow money from Cash App. So guys, if you are lives in US and not be able to get loan and not be able to borrow money from Cash App, then I'll help you how can you get your borrow option. So guys, simply you have to click on support, and now you need to wait for some seconds, and you need to scroll it down, and here you can see borrow option, click on it. And now why I can't I use borrow yet, click on it, and you need to scroll it down, and here you can see the option of chat, click on it. And guys, now you have to contact with Cash App support team. You have to tell all the problem, they will review your problem and they will fix your problem as soon as possible. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.